Students of class 5A and 5B. Today's new lesson, Environment Quiz, Unit 9, Environment Quiz. Now what is Environment Quiz? Open at page number 63 and see Environment Quiz. The name of this chapter is Environment Quiz. Open at page 63 and take your classwork copies, take out classwork copies with yourselves and be with me. Write down whatever the teaching, whichever the teaching which is given to you, the teaching which is done for you, you take it down in your copies. Either or by consulting the book, you be with me and acquire the knowledge of each and every question mentioned in your book. Open at page number 63. Here it is there. Now, the first one is the biggest energy source on the surface of the earth is solar radiation. What is the biggest energy source on the surface of the earth? Solar radiation. This type of question may come in the form of optional. Optional, there will be a number of options, 3 or 4 options may be there. You have to choose the correct option. Only one option, you have to choose the correct option. That should be correct. Now, the biggest energy source of the earth, on the surface of the earth, option number 1, solar energy. Not solar energy, electric energy, air energy based on factory, like that. This type of options will be there, but you have to choose the correct option, that is solar energy. And the acid found in soil is dash. The acid found in soil is, what acid found in the soil? That is humic acid. Humic acid. And next one, burning of fossil fuels releases, that one I taught you earlier. Burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide. Burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide. The element found abundant in the crust of the earth is oxygen. The element found abundant in the crust of the earth is oxygen. And next one, the crust of the earth is called lithosphere. The type of soil found in the desert is arid soil. The type of soil found in the desert is arid soil. And the simplest and least polluting way of deriving energy is solar energy. Clear? The simplest and least polluting way of deriving energy is solar energy, because solar energy does not pollute environment. Next one, junk of appliances and vehicles is known as solid waste. Junk of appliances and vehicles is known as solid waste. And next one, uranium miners more frequently suffer from cancer. Uranium miners more frequently suffer from cancer. And next one, textile workers more frequently suffer from bicyanosis. Textile workers more frequently suffer from which disease? Bicyanosis. Coal miners more frequently suffer from black lung diseases. Coal miners more frequently suffer from black lung diseases. Lungs become black while working in the coal mines areas. And next one, the type of living beings more sensitive to nuclear radiations are mammals. the type of living beings more sensible to nuclear radiations are mammals. Answer is mammals. Next question. The most acute pollution problem faced by nuclear power industry is disposal of nuclear waste. Disposal of nuclear waste. And next one, excessive inhaling of manganese. Excessive inhaling of manganese causes pneumonia. Excessive inhaling of manganese causes pneumonia. And next one, the metal which causes systematic poisoning in man is lead. The metal which causes systematic poisoning in man is known as lead. Next question, dust containing silicea. Dust containing silica causes silicosis. Next one, the most economic and pollution-free form of transport is bicycle. The most economic and pollution-free form of transport is bicycle. Next one, sheep were initially domesticated for meat and milk. Sheep were initially domesticated for meat and milk. Next question, man and biosphere and ecological program was launched by UNESCO. Man and the biosphere and ecological program was launched by UNESCO. And next one, chemicals which get rid of pests are called pesticides. Chemicals which get rid of pests are called pesticides. Next one, a motor car produces least amount of pollution while moving. A motor car produces least amount of pollution while moving. The next one, open at page number 64. Water covers about how many percent of the Earth's surface? 70. Water covers about how many percent of the Earth's surface? Water covers about 70% of the Earth's surface. That will be your answer. Next one, oxygen was discovered by whom? Oxygen was discovered by Joseph Priestley. Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen. Joseph Priestley. Oxygen was discovered in which year? In the year 1774. August 1774, oxygen was discovered by Joseph Priestley. The next one, the word oxygen was coined by whom? The word oxygen was coined by Antoine Laurent. Antoine Laurent at Lavoisier. Antoine Laurent Lavoisier. He, for the first time, uttered the word oxygen. He coined it. And when something burns in the air, it combines with oxygen and the process is called oxidation. When something burns in the air, it combines with oxygen and the process is known as oxidation. And next one, when we breathe, oxygen combines chemically with glucose in the body to create energy. Answer is energy. When we breathe, oxygen combines chemically with glucose in the body to create energy. The answer is energy. The next one, two major components of air are oxygen and another one, nitrogen. Two major components of air are oxygen and nitrogen. Next one, the air surrounding the earth is forever on the move because of sun's heat. The air surrounding the earth is forever on the move because of earth's surface, because of sun's heat. Because of sun's heat. The air surrounding the earth is forever on the move because of sun's heat. Next one, a space with nothing in it is called vacuum. The space with nothing in it is known as vacuum. The space with nothing in it is known as vacuum. Next one, moon gets very hot. Moon gets very hot and very cold as it has no dash. It has no atmosphere. Moon gets very hot and very cold as it has no atmosphere. Next one, 78% of the atmosphere is dash nitrogen. 78% of the atmosphere is nitrogen. 21% of the atmosphere is oxygen. And plants inhale what and give out what? Carbon dioxide. Plants inhale what and give out what? That is carbon dioxide. Bubbles in soda water is due to the presence of carbon dioxide. Okay? Bubbles in soda water is due to the presence of carbon dioxide. And next one, we are protected from ultraviolet radiation from the sun due to the presence of this ozone layer. The answer is ozone layer. Next one, the main greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. The main greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. Next one, the most common compound on earth is water. The most common compound on earth is water. Answer is water. The next one, life originally emerged from dash. Life originally emerged from water. Next one, about how many percent of the world's water is solid? About how many percent of the world's water is solid? 2%. Next one, less than how many percent of the world's water is fresh water? 3%. And next one, the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere is known as humidity. The amount of water vapor in the atmosphere is known as humidity. Next one, water expands when it is dash. Water expands when it is frozen. Next one, the ultimate source of nearly all our energy is the sun. Answer is sun. The ultimate source of nearly all our energy is the sun. Next one, solar cells turns light energy from the sun into dash. Solar cells turn light energy from the sun into electrical energy. So this is about today's teaching, my dear students. Simply you have to learn all the answers. Answers, as I mentioned, you can take it down or you may consult the last pages of your book from where you can take it down the answers. But what answer you will write must be correct. Okay, what option you have to choose must be correct. Clear? Now how is it possible? If you learn it properly. If you learn it from the beginning to the last. Here there are 45 filling the blanks are there. So simply what you have to do, you have to learn its answers. Answers are mentioned. Please take it down in your book with pencil and then keep on learning. Up to this, my dear students, thank you.